Cognitive decline and diet. Bonus video! Welcome to SIEN. In the previous video, I touched on how exercise can help buffer the brain against cognitive decline in later life. In this video, I'm going to look at the effects of diet. A recent study has shown a strong link to diet, specifically looking at processed foods. If 20% or more of your daily food intake consists of ultra-processed foods, this can set you on the path to cognitive decline in the areas of the brain that have to do with executive function, the ability to process information and make decisions. In fact, people who ate the most ultra-processed foods had a 28% faster rate of global cognitive decline and a 25% faster rate of executive function decline compared to people who ate the least amount of processed foods. So I think it's quite clear, cut down on processed foods is not good for your brain. For more information, check the link in the description. Now, I've spent many years working with people who have Parkinson's disease, so this is a field of particular interest. So when I came across the following research, I was fascinated. The origins of Parkinson's disease is a bit of a mystery, since only a very small number of cases are genetic, but 85 to 90% of cases are sporadic, meaning they just seem to pop up out of nowhere. It's still not completely clear, but it seems like an abnormal clumping of a protein called alpha-synuclein in the brain is involved. So this protein is normally found in the meat and blood of animals with spines, vertebrates, like cows, pigs, chicken, fish. So how does it end up in the human brain? Since we tend to eat these animals, diet seems to be a likely source. This is where it gets really interesting. How does it get from your digestive tract to your brain? Ever heard of something called leaky gut? Not consuming enough fiber in your diet can lead to your intestinal barrier degrading, allowing pathogens to leak out. Leaky gut, it's in the name. There is evidence to suggest that this protein leaks out of the gut, up the vagal nerve, and so makes its way into the brain. So all of this seems to suggest that a diet that is high in fiber, plants, and with little to no meat can seriously reduce your risk of developing Parkinson's disease. All of this is supported by population studies that have shown that Parkinson's disease is rare in populations that mostly eat a plant-based diet, with rates 5 times lower in rural sub-Saharan Africa, for instance. Historically, it was believed that this is because plant-based diets are high in antioxidants and also more anti-inflammatory than an animal-based diet. But now it seems it's from ingesting more fiber, creating a healthier gut, and reduced intestinal exposure to ingested nerves, muscles, and blood from animal products. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out the other videos in this playlist on aging, and check out my social media. For more information, check the link in this more or blood from animal products. That was right, wasn't it? A very short